Alright, hello everyone, Scott Girard here, and I'm talking about Clickfunnels 2.0 and the feature, one of the features of it, and that's universal sections. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about universal sections and go into that, and show you the power of what this is. So, universal sections are basically what they are is an area where you can put in to any funnel or any page, and wherever you have that section added in any of your pages or any of your funnels, it will update it. When you update it, once it updates across your whole ecosystem, your whole business, all of the funnels, and then of course you can add them in courses as well. So I'm going to go into first funnels. So maybe I have a type of funnel that has a video, and I'll just go into this one as an example. The application funnel, and it has an opt-in, and then there's an application page, but maybe, for instance, I want to put in the opt-in itself. I'll just choose one of these and I'll name it. I'm just gonna create this quickly here, because I'm not showing that. I want to show the universal sections, test 20, for example. So I'm just going to call it test for that opt-in. Won't index it, this one, in search engines, and then I can come into edit, and in this page itself, I'm going to put in I'll have a section in here that is full page and one column and a let's just say a video pop-up. So now we have that in there, and of course you'd want to put this in a different way. I just want to show you what this is. So for universal sections, so now I can click save. I can click entrepreneur. Well, first I put Scott universal entrepreneur video. So say this is a sales funnel of some sort, or like it's an opt-in, but I have a video describing maybe it describes you as a customer, or it describes why you should listen to me. It could be anything you have in there. Maybe you have a testimonial video that you want people to see right away in this funnel, and then have them opt in to something right away. So now the reason I'm showing this is you can edit that section, and now whenever I edit this, say I want to change the video, I go into settings and I change the video, yeah, so I want to change that video, and go in there, video settings. I put in the video URL in here, And then so I changed that video. I put the URL here, and say I have that in this video in 10 different pages, in not, maybe not 10 different funnels, but maybe 10 different pages itself, introducing and the business and everything like that. Well, say I change that and have an updated one. Now all I have to do is change that in one page, and it updates across all of the pages. I'm not like, just, I want you to really think about how much time that's going to save, where you don't have to go into each page individually and go in and update those settings. And I mentioned courses as well. So in courses, where this comes in, I'll just go into one of my courses in here, and say I had this module's testing, and I go into it and I go into edit, edit content, and it's going to bring up what this looks like. Now this gray area is an area you can edit, so it's going to show what you have. It's going to show that this is across the course itself. So say I wanted to add in, I have a lesson in here, and I want to add in a section that gives updates. This is especially powerful if you have, say you're doing marketing training, and so you can have a video with updates that goes across all of your training in the whole entire course. And some courses are like, 30, 40 lessons long, right? So you can put this universal element in, just like I showed before, and so I'll go into my universal sections and just put in Scott, and I just want that one universal section in here. Of course, this is going to look different. Actually, no, I'll show, because that will be confusing. I'll show. So I just want a video, so I put a video in here, and now I go into the section. I save it as Scott Universal, name of course, whatever you have your course, make that universal, save it, and then wherever I add this in, you can put that on the top or the bottom. You can edit it and edit the section itself. So you're going to go in here, and when you put in that video, now it's going to update across all of your lessons in all of your courses. And so you don't have to go in and change it, or you don't have to, you can update it. So this is going to be available to your users on every single course. Like, hey, I have an update, so just so you know, this is an update for the entire course, that type of thing. So, and it'll be available. So that's really neat. You might have to have an introduction, or maybe you have one where you're at the end of they make it a certain way through the course, and maybe you want to, for the rest of the lessons, put an offer in front of them, and maybe down the road you have that offer change. Well, if you put it as a universal section, then you just have to change one, and they're all updated. So that is universal sections. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Of course, you can click on the link and get in on your free 30-day trial of Clickfunnels 2.0. This software is amazing, so I encourage you to do that, and we'll see you on the next video.